On the www.asap.abs-cbn.com/chat. This is Chill Out the Buds.
Yeah. Chill out / the buzz. The buzz.
All right. A while ago, we were talking about the top 5 picks of the week, and we stopped at the number 3 issue,
Yes.
which was the Daniel Padilla audio scandal.
Yeah.
So ako, may question ako. Since ikaw, kung may lalaki ka, may girlfriend ka, ganyan-ganyan.
Since ako, kung lalaki ako, let's ask Fitz.
Kunyari, totoo naman, lalaki siya.
Dual ako eh, dual citizen. Dual citizen.
Kunyari, Robby,
Dual sim ako.
Robby, kunyari, lalaki ka.
Kunyari, lalaki naman talaga ako.
Kunyari.
Kunyari. Let's ask. Fitz, kunyari, kung lalaki ka.
Sa akin na lang.
Tapos, nagka-crush ka sa, may crush ka sa iba.
Okay lang ba yun?
Anong opinion mo doon? Okay lang ba yun?
I think it's normal. Wala namang problema eh. As long as you don't do something to that feeling.
Eh, yung kiligin.
So, okay lang yung text.
Normal na
Oh,
kiligin.
okay lang yung text, but not all the time. I mean, syempre may girlfriend ka, syempre yung pa rin yung pupuntahan mo.
Oo.
And ito, it doesn't mean that if you like someone, you're in love with them.
True!
Diba?
Pero
You like
baka
someone,
pumunta
pero
yun
may
doon.
mga
Pumunta
variations
yun
din yan eh. May mga variations yan.
Pero
I guess-
paano pag sa circle mo, yung crush mo, tapos sa circle nyo ng girlfriend mo?
I guess
So,
it
medyo awkward yun.
Mas okay yun. Kasi at least kilala ng girlfriend mo, yung
Oo.
crush mo.
Parang mas, para sa akin ang awkward yun.
Tanungin naman natin, as a girl.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Kung ako yung girlfriend.
Oo.
Okay lang, basta crush lang. Hanggang dun lang yun,
As
diba?
long as you don't do something
As long as malinaw, at
Oh.
as long as sa pag-usapan nyo naman, open naman, yung hindi tinatago. Kasi kung may tinatago, ibig sabihin, may balak or, di ba?
Totoo.
Kung hindi niya tinatago,
Okay lang daw sa'yo
Kung
magka-text
magka-text sila, okay lang sa'yo. Whoops!
Hindi. Hindi. Pinag-isipan ko kasi,
King Arthur, beware.
pwede magka-text. Pwede
Comment na lang.
magka-text. Pero, wag madalas. Yung mas madalas pa kaysa
Ano lang,
sa-
mga,
sa'yo.
ilang nga, once a week,
yung
ganun lang.
tinatalo pa
May
ako.
schedule.
Hindi, yung sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Eh, si Loisa, okay lang sa'yo pag may ka-text yung...
For example, sige. Si Joshua,
Si Joshua.
Ito. Si Joshua,
mas
tinitext
maganda.
minsan si Jane. Is that okay?
Oy! Grabe yung example yan.
Is that okay? Kunyari lang, kunyari.
Okay lang kasi ano eh, di ba magkakaibigan naman kami kaya normal lang yun.
Tapos pinapasahan niya ng load.
Halatang kunyari ka.
Kasi si Daniel daw apparently tinitext si Jasmine Curtis because he wants to be updated with the condition of the father. Yun. Hindi ko alam yung totoong detalye, hindi ko pa nakausap si DJP. Pero as soon as makakuha ako ng information, I'll just spill
Hindi
it
ko
out to you.
sasabihin sa inyo.
Oops.
I'm
Okay,
MJ
next.
Felipe.
Next.
Move on to
Issue.
pressing issue number 2.
Oy!
Ay,
balik. Hindi pa ba tayo makamove on?
Fifth.
Hindi pa tayo makamove on. Ay, nakamove on na ako. Ay, pala. Nakamove on na po.
Ito na.
Nakamove on na po.
James Reid
James
falls off stage at Cosmo Bash, guys.
Oh, fifth, tama na. Fifth, tama na.
Uy! Parang ako yan eh. Ako yung joke lang.
Fifth.
Yun,
Ano
napanood ko
masabi
yung
mo?
video niyan eh.
Ako din.
Pinalaglag siya sa
Oh,
butas ng
pinalaglag.
stage, no?
Oo.
Bale, siya raw yung inaabangan that time eh. Kasi
Oo, kasi
siya yung parang, uy, James Reid.
Uy.
Tapos medyo nagka-problema yung audio niya.
Audio.
Tapos nalaglag pa siya sa stage. Pero tingin ko naman okay lang kasi siya yung pinag-usapan talaga.
Oh, and then
Siya yung
saka-
pinakamatunog ngayong year sa
Oh, tsaka
Cosmo.
naging professional siya kasi kahit nahulog siya,
Swag pa din.
tumayo pa rin siya, tinuloy-tuloy pa rin niya yung
Yes.
kanyang prod.
Swag pa din siya.
Swag pa din.
Oo.
Andun pa
Parang
din yung
walang
shades
nangyari.
niya. May shades pa rin siya.
Kahit sugatan na yung kamay niya, ang daming sugat yata dito.
Tuloy mo lang. Oh.
Gas,
Tuloy
gas.
lang.
Tuloy ang
Correct.
buhay.
Tulad ng sinabi nga
Life
niya.
goes on.
Pinag-usapan.
Nakuha nila.
Oo. Good
Let's move on.
popularity.
And number 1.
Uy, mga relasyon.
Uy,
Trending
Ay, mga
issue number 1.
Sa una.
I and Gerald Sibayan.
Yan yung Tagalasal, no? Na 20 years old.
Di ba, Jay?
20 years old.
Gerald is 20 years old.
At saka yung resume slideshow, pang-apat.
New relationships building up this actually last week I and Gerald, a 20-year-old guy coming from LaSalle. Ikaw ba, Jane, ano masasabi mo? Bakit ba, what's up with LaSalle people these days?
Puro lasal.
Bakit
Mas maganda siya yung unang tanongin.
Oo nga
Kasi
eh.
ako
lasal
na
eh.
tinatanong?
Your thoughts.
Jane.
Oo.
Your thoughts.
Love yan eh.
Yeah.
So pag LaSalle, love na agad?
Hindi.
Grabe! Uy!
Hindi.
Mommy, are you here?
Robby, ang issue mo. Ito ang issue natin. Sabi ko, kung love yan, syempre, age doesn't matter.
Age doesn't matter.
Yes. Kung yun yung nararamdaman
Hindi ko po
nila.
ibabase yung pagmamahal.
Kasi, ang love naman di naman natuturuan yan. Kung nararamdaman mo,
True.
yun na talaga yun.
Totoo.
Bigla lang yun.
Pag love mo. Di ba Kuya Fif, hindi yan
Edad lang
binabase
yun.
sa...
Sa kasarian, sa edad.
Oo, sa lahat.
Di ba?
BB?
Gusto ko na confession room. Confession room.
May alam
May
mo,
confession room ba dito?
Yes, Bri?
siguro, baka yung iba, kasi alam naman ng tao na galing si Miss Ai sa isang relationship na hindi na na bata din or sabihin na natin hindi nag-working relationship nila. Siguro, iniisip ng tao too early. Pero, love pa rin yan eh. Kung baga
Let's give it a
parang-
chance.
Oo,
Give it a
love
chance.
conquers all at walang pinipili
buti nga hindi siya jaded, di ba?
love kung kailan siya
Hindi siya takot
darating.
magmahal ulit.
Oo. Hindi natin alam kung kailan darating, kung anong edad yung magiging ano mo.
Yes,
And for as long as na happy sila, wala namang problema.
Sunmit
Tama.
ba?
Alright.
Sunmit.
May pinagdadaanan.
Nakaka-relate ka daw, Brian.
Nakaka-relate ka ba Kuya Bri?
Alright, on to the next one.
Yes.
Let's talk about
Andy
Andy
and Brett.
and Brett.
Siyempre
Ben Brett
si
was
Brett
one
daw
of
eh.
the housemates coming from PBB
Yes.
Teen Edition 3. 3, okay.
So yun, Brett is courting Andy. Right?
Si ano daw, fifth may inside scoop eh.
Ay, lagot ako. Parang nakita ko sila sa Raven. Sa gimikan. Hindi ba ka magalit siya sa akin?
Ano lang yun, double lang.
Double lang. Anong...
Chinismis eh, no? Hindi, nakita ko sila magkasama sa Raven.
Sino ba
Party,
kasama mo
party.
that time? Nung...
Ikaw si kasama mo.
Kasama mo.
Mga kaibigan ko rin. Nakita ko sila, kasama niya sila James si Raid, kasama niya sila James. Saan? Ayan, matao yun eh, parang divisoria yung peg ng Raven. So, pero namataan ko pa rin sila.
Ako, I don't know the side coming from Andy, but kung si Brett gusto talaga mag-try, well, for me, he's welcome to go. Court Andy Eigenman, tama naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero let's go to the post of Andy Eigenman. May isa po siyang pinost regarding JV Ejercito, is that right? Jake Ejercito kissing a girl. Maybe this is one of the ways. I'm not saying it's really the cause or really the answer to this problem of hers para pagselosin si Jake. Pero for me, all I can say is just give him a try.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. It's
Karapatan ng tao yan.
karapatan ni Andy yan. And last but not the least,
Eto.
engagement.
Talagang nga naman.
I think personally this is the proposal of the year. The engagement between Isabel Oli and Papa Smurf.
Yes!
Oo, one of the minions.
Smurf.
Andito si Kuya John. Andito si Kuya John last week, di ba, sa Chile?
Oo,
tinanong ko siya. Nagre-ready ka na daw sa proposal mo. Sabi niya,
Smile lang.
smile lang. So, meron
Yun
talaga
pala kasi
siyang
meron na pala
pinaplano.
talaga.
Nag-rehearsal pa sila doon kasi flash mob.
Flash off.
Ang cute.
Narinig ko sa balita, 2 buwan daw yung preparation.
Honestly, while PBB All-In was happening, pinag-iisipan na niya at pinareserve niya sa aming lahat. September 24 is gonna be the day that he will be proposing. And he kept on telling us, kay Bianca, kay Tony, sa akin, all of his friends, kay Sam Melby, that this is gonna be the best dance of his life. At personally, I was there in Eastwood to witness this momentous event. At sobrang nakaka-touch kasi Isabel Oli didn't have that idea.
Kala
that
niya
clear idea.
mag-shopping lang
Oo,
daw.
yung shopping together with the sister Camille Prats
Camille.
para bumili ng gamit para sa anak niya na si Nathan. And then pag-akyat niya, nagulat siya, Sam Melby was playing the piano and then the dancers were there wearing white shirts. Tapos nilabas na siya dun sa City Walk para
sweet naman ni Kuya
magkaroon ng
Kurt.
flash mob talaga. So it was nice. If you want to check out the
Effort to.
if you want to check out the whole
effort.
details, just go to youtube.com and check out Nice Print, John Pratt's proposal. That was gonna be, I think, right now, naka 1 million likes na dahil sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda
Talaga
po.
nga naman.
Okay
May
guys,
pinapatunayan.
pag napanood nyo, napanood na ba yung video? Or you have heard
Napanood
about
ko
the
yun.
news?
Pero nakita ko na sa mga Instagram posts kasi
Ano man nasabi mo sa proposal ni John Pratt?
F
effort. Super
Effort.
effort. Tsaka, kung ikaw yung babae, talagang kikiligin ka
Oo
talaga.
na.
Kasi grabe, pinag-isipan niya lahat yun, di ba? From everything. Lahat ng gagawin, lahat ng sasaya, production, lahat. So, sobrang sweet.
In fact, ito pa nga yung isa sa mga gusto niyang sayawin eh. Sky Full of Stars. Kayo from Coldplay. Pero pinagpilian niya, ang sinayaw na talaga is Rude and Marry Me by Jason Derulo. Oo, sobrang nakakakilig. Ako nga, naiiyak nga ako eh. Nasa taas lang ako eh. Ikaw, kailan kayo magpropose?
Ako magpropose sa kanya? Wala siyang qualities na gusto ko.
Oh!
High standards.
Wow! Nahiya ka naman sa akin! Wow! Nahiya ka naman sa akin!
Hindi, napanood ko yung yung parang may dance, sila eh, parang may choreo sila eh.
Mhm.
For me, effort, kasi parang sa panahon ngayon, hindi lang yung one day na nasa kasal ka, yung inaabangan ng tao, kundi yung proposal na rin eh. Kumbaga parang dalawang moment yung hinihintay sa isang
Yun nga eh.
relationship.
Kaya nga sa mga lalaki dyan, maghanda-handa na kayo ng mga pondo.
Yun na yung trend kasi.
Medyo masakit.
Sabi, na-pressure ka!
Robbie, kailan ka daw? Kailan ka?
After seeing that, na-pressure ako. Kaya sabi ko, papakasal pa ba ako?
Oo. Hindi. Last week,
Robbie, daanin mo sa ibang naman, minimalist
Ibang gimmick.
naman. Oo.
So, no. Yung kay John
Simple lang.
Prats. Yung kay John Prats is very apt for his
Siya yun eh,
lifestyle.
sayaw-sayaw.
Kasi dancer talaga siya. So, anong gagawin ko? Mag-host?
Mag-host.
Mag-host?
hindi nga, mas maganda nga kung nag-dance ka kasi
Feeling
double
ko,
effort yun.
Si Robbie singing. Diba? Singing.
Oo nga naman.
Maiiyak si Gretchen. Tama
Wag
na,
na.
Robbie.
Oo na, Robbie.
But on behalf of ASAP Chill Out and ASAP family, and I guess on behalf of ABS-CBN family, congratulations to John Prats and Isabel Oli. Pa po natin sila.
Congrats.
At ang next event na pinapakaabangan ko is on December, which is the JCNB wedding. Pakaabangan po natin yan. At sigurado ako na ang mga imbitado dito, world-class singers, world-class performers, friends in the industry, talking
World-class
about
host, MC.
talking about world-class singers and performers, artists. Up next, dito lang sa ASAP Chill Out, we're gonna have
Princess and Jason Farrell.
up next only here on ASAP.
Chill out.
ASAP Chill Out! Mga pamilya, handa na ba kayo? Are you guys ready? Well, let's
Eto na ang
get this
hinihintay na
party
lahat.
started actually. Let's get the ball rolling with our first guests. Dito lang sa ASAP Chill Out. Please welcome on the show. We've got the acoustic princess, Princess Velasco.
Hi, guys!
Then one of the most sought singers of our generation. Please welcome on the show, Mr. Jason Farrell.
Hello.
What is up, you guys? Kamusta kayong dalawa?
Good to be back. Welcome back.
Welcome back to ASAP Chill Out, Miss Princess. How's everything?
I'm back again. I'm okay.
Yeah.
Christmas na. Sunod
Oo nga, oo nga. And that is why we have the decorations right here.
already.
I have to buy pa. Meron akong Christmas tree. Bibili na lang ako ng mga dekorasyon.
Kasi first year mo to, second year
It's my first year
to be
na
celebrating.
na.
Wow. Pero hindi halata, di ba?
Kaya excited pa kaming bumili ng tree, bumili ng mga dekorasyon.
How excited are you to spend Christmas as Mrs.
Rosario.
Rosario?
Syempre masaya kasi iba when you're, di ba, actually yung araw-araw lang na magkasama kami when I wake up beside him, nakakatuwa
Christmas
talaga.
day na.
Ayan. Tapos Christmas,
Every day is
diba?
Christmas then.
For me kasi my favorite time of the year is Christmas. Kasi that's also my birthday and that's also our anniversary. So ay magkakasunod na.
Everything happens in December.
Yes.
Pero on a side note, gusto ko lang tanungin, kasi we talked about John Prats and the proposal.
Yeah.
Paano nagpo-propose sa'yo yung asawa niyo?
Alam mo, parang whenever I see yung mga nagpo-propose on TV, grabe talagang career na talaga, no? Parang it gives so much pressure to guys. Kaya you guys, diba? I'm sure sobrang yung pressure.
Yan na yung trend kasi ngayon eh.
Oo, diba? Talagang pabongga na
Fifth,
pabongga. But
grabe.
my
Mag-gimmick na.
husband, he proposed to me. He wrote a song for me na original song na talagang doon siya nagtanong doon sa song na yon. And it was a private thing. Hindi nga niya binideo eh. So parang nanginginig pa siya, dala niya yung gitara niya. Tapos he sang for me and then he asked me to marry him. So sobrang sweet kasi
Intimate lang.
oo, yung intimate lang. Saka nagawa niya yung gusto ko na kaming dalawa lang talaga. Kasi nahihiya ako yung, di ba? Kasi syempre,
Pag maraming tao na.
umiyak kami pareho. So parang yung emotion mo, talagang kayo lang. Hindi ka mag-iisip na may nakatingin or
Hindi
yung...
ka maiilang. Di ba?
Oo,
Hindi ka
yan po yung,
maiilang.
yan po yung singsing.
Ito, oo.
Oh.
Kasi yung wedding ring ko, sumikip. So, yung engagement
Tinapunan niya. Ay, hindi.
so, kailangan ko pa siyang paluwagan. So engagement ring yung suot ko pala.
Yun. And up next, let me ask this guy who's probably in love with his work.
With my work,
Definitely, definitely. How's
Yes.
everything, brother?
It's good. I'm excited. I'm gonna be working on a new song soon, which I'm really excited about. I'm changing my direction a bit. I'm going to more instead of the balladeer, which started with
Before, okay.
I'm going more like R&B pop. Yeah. So I'm excited. A younger sound. So
So this time around, are we gonna hear more of the beats, more of the something like that?
yeah, definitely more upbeat and not as sad and I was like
Mellow.
singing
Yellow, gloomy
ballads.
before. About,
Yeah.
all the
About love.
songs about love.
About love.
True,
but
true.
so we're gonna change it up a bit. So I'm excited.
And this is your going back to what Princess said. This is your first Christmas to be spent.
Well, I'm going home in December. I'm going back to celebrate with my
okay.
family. But you guys start early here. It's only not even October.
Yeah,
September
true.
pa lang Pasko na dito.
We don't start till December back in the States.
Filipino
but-
Christmas eh.
How are you adapting to the Filipino
Hanggang
culture?
February.
Basta Ber na, Pasko na.
Starting September 1, yan na.
Yes.
How are you adapting to the Filipino culture so far?
It's good. The food's always great. I grew up eating the food here, and I'm in Tagalog lessons right now, and I'm kind of learning. But I was trying to listen to you guys speak if I can understand, but you guys are talking so
Hirapan ka
fast
ba?
for me. Like,
Alien ang tingin mo sa amin.
Kasi last week, nag-Tagalog lessons kami.
yeah, but
Konti lang Tagalog, di ba?
yeah, very little.
Konti lang.
Pero ngayon, well, ipapakita naman niya ang kanyang talento sa pagkanta. Did you understand that one?
English Tagalog
something
song.
about
Something about
a song or singing.
or singing. That's right.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
Bro.
Right about mga pamilya. It's time to hear Jason Farrell sing his new genre, which is pop.
Yes. Well,
Yeah,
this is
you'll
a
be
little
saying it
different.
right.
This is one of my favorite singers from the UK, Alan Stone.
All right, here we go. Jason Farrell here on Answer Chill Out.
And every day this everything grows. You spend more than you own. Papa always said to me, keep a close eye on your authority. Yeah. And you said that you can. And I was unaware. And you said that you can. And I was unaware. And all you do is pull until I can't stretch it any further. Push, pull until can't stretch it any further. Push, pull until I can't stretch it any further. Push, pull until. And every day taxes increase. Is this our land or is this our lease? Papa says it's the land of the free. As he broke his back trying to make ends meet. Oh, and you said that you can. And I was unaware. You said that you can. do is push, pull until can't stretch it any further. Push, pull until can't stretch it any further. Push, pull until all you do is push, pull until. I can't stretch it any further. Push, pull, until all you do is push, pull until can't stretch it any further. Push, pull until.
Thank you guys.
Nice one! Oh, yun na. Sinasabi lang yung new sound from Jason.
Yun talaga yung literal na may screen.
Taas!
Oh, you go really high.
Pero last week din ganun. Pero yung last week medyo, yun nga,
Chill.
the mellow, the chill.
Na yung soprano. Woo! Taas.
Yun.
And now, after ni Jason Farrell, I think excited na si Princess mag-perform sa atin.
Oo nga,
As always.
kinukwento niya nga sa akin na yung kakantahin niyang song.
Oo, at tawag ko dito, theme song ni Jane. Kasi
Bakit?
yung mga nanonood ng PBB, nung nandun
Oy.
si Jane, every time na kinakausap niya si Kuya, ito yung background music.
Sabi
Excited
ko,
na ako.
hindi namin naririnig sa loob ng bahay yung mga sa
Pag ganon, hindi.
Mga
Scoring
scoring,
siya,
hindi
oo.
namin alam.
Ay,
Scoring
kilig-kilig
yun.
ba yan?
Oo, ngayon ko pala narinig.
Yung title ng song kasi nito, isinulat ko yung song na to, original song. Title is Tampo. So ngayon, pakinggan mo yung lyrics, Jane. Kung
Uy.
applicable ba sa'yo.
Hoy, may bubog.
Sige,
Talagang para kay Jane
Ang
talaga
pinasingis.
yung song mo.
Ito tayo. Oo.
Tampo.
Para kay Jane, no? Para kay
Alright,
Jane.
once
yung
again,
song-
our artistic princess, let's give it up for
Such an honor, grabe.
Ano kayong sumabay ng konting palakpak? Hay nako, ano ba yan? Nagsasorry ka na naman. Alam mo ba ang dahilan kung ba't ako galit sa'yo? Tama na ang pag-cute mo dyan. Sa agiwa epek na yan, di na ako tinatamaan. Immune ako sa palusot mo. Napabaliw ang puso ko kapag sa'yo'y nagtatampo. Nahihilo ang isip ko dahil sa'yo. Napabaliw ang puso ko sa kakaisip ko sa'yo. Nagugulo ang mundo ko mo talaga ako. Nagbabaliw ang puso ko kapag sa'yo'y nagtatampo. Nahihilo ang isip ko dahil sa'yo. Nababaliw ang puso ko sa kakaisip ko sa'yo. Nagugulo ang mundo ko pag may tampo. Tama na ang pag-cute mo dyan. Sa aking ma-effect na yan, di na ako tinatamaan. Tampo pa rin ako sa'yo.
Bakit ba, Jane? Ano reaction mo doon? Actually, medyo habang kinakanta mo, parang iniisip ko, bakit nga ba yan? Parang iniisip ko.
Parang nakakamiss ng may ano, no,
Kuya,
katampuan.
pa-explain.
Uy! Uy!
Hindi.
Hindi, masasarap.
Uy, I
Pero
love
ganda
you.
ng
I
song,
love
no?
you.
Tampo. But you have the personal experience kung bakit mo
Oo,
sinulat yung
paano
song na yun.
nasulat
Kasi
yung...
ang tampo, di ba? Tayong mga Pinoy tayo na yung mahilig magtampo. Kasi wala naman English yung tampo eh. There's no English word for
Nakakamiss
tampo.
ng
Tampo.
Kasi it means siguro the closest is parang you're mildly disappointed.
Slight
diba?
jealous.
Kasi when you're in a relationship, di ba, you parang have some expectations from the guy.
Ano nga
Na
ano
hindi
nga ang English ng tampo?
Wala nga.
Wala. Yun nga,
Tampo,
slightly-
quarrel ba? Hindi ba quarrel?
Slight jealous.
Parang
Slightly
frustrated.
irritated.
Sometimes
Irritated.
you're disappointed or like
Breeze.
yeah, a bit jealous
Breeze
maybe.
tampo. Yung parang may breeze kapag may nagkatampo. Yung nakakainis ka.
Bakit mo gano'n?
Nagpagaok
O
pala.
yun ang sabi ni
Nagpagaok.
Jamie. Ayun, wala. Sabi ni
Nakakainis
Jamie, tampo daw for Jane.
Oy, bubot! Kay
Bubot
Joshua.
kay Joshua.
Oy, grabe!
Oy, nagtanong ko sa kanya, sino ba may tampo sa'yo? Si Kuya, sabi niya.
Oh!
Ay,
Din ako.
buti na nalaman ko. Ngayon ko na nalaman yun pala yung scoring.
Ay.
Yun pala yun.
Guys, narinig na natin sila nag-solo-solo. So, gusto namin marinig naman kayo mag-duet. Diba? Meron ba kayong song na alam na pang-duet? Kahit sa Brightsea lang, mga
Make it
ganun.
do it.
Mahirapan din si Jason,
Kahit
bakit
yung
ngayon ka
mga
lang?
Brightsea lang.
Or you want to sing
Ganda talaga
Tagalog,
sa chill
Jason?
out. Eh, John Legend. Oy, nag-concert yan, di ba? Nung
Yes.
Hindi ako nakanood, wala akong ticket. 8 o'clock umaasa pa rin ako na may magbibigay sa akin ng ticket. Nag-tweet na ako, wala pa rin nagbigay.
Ah.
Ordinary people.
Alright, I think we have a song. Okay.
Diba?
We haven't sang together.
This is the first time that we will hear
Yan sa
a
Asap
duet
Chill
from
Out.
Yes.
Jason and the
Let's
Princess
go.
Velasco together
What
on
key is this in?
Asap Chill
Asap Chill
Out.
Out stage.
I haven't sung this song in 5 years.
Okay.
Hopefully
The
I still know
Velasco
it.
and the Faro.
I don't even know what key we're going in. Is it original key? Okay. You want to go first? Ladies first? Okay.
Once again, palakpakan po natin Mr. Jason Farrell and the Princess Velasco.
Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't a honeymoon. That's the infatuation phase. We're out in the thick of love. Times we get sick of love. Seems like we argue every day. I know I misbehave. You made your mistakes. We both still got room left to grow. No love sometimes hurts. I still put you first. We'll make this thing work, but I think we should take it slow.
We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. 'Cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh. This time
This ain't no movie, nah, no fairy tale conclusion, y'all. Gets more confusing every day. Oh, sometimes it's heaven sailing, then back to hell again. We can't stand, we make up on the way.
I hope you call. We rise and we fall, and we both end walking away. As all the dance, we take second chances. No, it's not a fantasy. I still want you to stay. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. Hey, we're just ordinary people. Maybe we should take it
Slow, no. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. No, no. This time we'll take it slow. And maybe we'll live and learn. And maybe we'll crash and burn.
Maybe you'll stay, maybe you'll leave, maybe you'll return.
Maybe another fight.
Maybe we won't survive. Maybe we'll grow, we never know. Maybe you and I, we're just ordinary people.
We don't know which way to go.
'Cause we're ordinary people.
Maybe we should take it slow. Yeah, 'cause we're ordinary people.
We don't know which way to go.
We're just ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Oh no. This time we'll take it slow.
Version of
nag-practice sila.
Jason
Palakpakan din
and
natin ang aking pong
Princess.
banda. Okay. Oliver Box and Neil.
Grabe guys,
Thank you so
on
much,
the
guys.
spot pa yun. ang
Para
umuwi.
nag-practice sila, no? Para
Oh,
nag-practice
hindi nila,
talaga
hindi
sila.
nila, hindi nila
Singers
alam
nga
kung
sila.
Yung totoo, nag-usap kayo sa
Confirm.
backstage, no?
Mga 1 week kami nag-rehearse.
1 week.
one week na.
Thank you guys for being such a good
Yay!
audience.
Palakpakan natin,
Grabe, kinilig
Jason
ako
and
dun.
Princess.
Galing.
It was a very nice prod. But
Ayan,
before,
oo. Before we let
anything,
you go,
yes.
yes. Do you have any shows to plug? Any albums?
Yeah, my
guest
album, yung kinanta ko kanina para kay Jane Tampo, it's in my
Para kay
newest
Jane pa
album,
rin.
Acoustic Princess OPM from Vicor Music. So sana makakuha kayo ng copy niyan. It's also available online. And for my schedule, just log on to my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/Princess Velasco Official. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram @Princess Velasco.
All right, Jason.
Yes. Well, my Tagalog song, my first Tagalog song is out, Kung Ikaw Ako, and it features Yam Conception. So be sure to check that out on YouTube. And then I'll be recording
Yam
my
Conception.
new Yam Conception.
Yeah.
And I'll be recording my new song soon. So be sure to check that out. You can also go on my Facebook, official Jason Farrell. You can follow me on Twitter, Jason Farrell, Instagram, Jason Farrell, and you can follow me home after this. So yeah, just be sure to check that out.
What's your address?
Follow na lahat. Pati
Jason
follow
Farrell.
me.
Yes, just follow me home.
Yeah, so thank you guys for being
Thank you.
here.
Thank you. Palakpakan
And
natin,
of
guys.
course, up next, kasama natin ang R&B Prince,
JR!
First time ito.
sa ASAP
Share